Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop your trade on Metatrader 5 app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 5 app, and once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or watch list of the Metatrader 5 apps on in the screen. So now you can see there is a trade option at the bottom of this page, which is at the right side of this chart. So once you tap on the trade, you can see I have already took the position in here. So if you want to close or stop your trade, then what you can basically do is you simply need to slide it to the left, and you can see there is a three options. You need to tap on the three dot, and now you can see there is a close position in here. So once you tap on it, you finally need to confirm it, so just tap on the close, and yeah, you will be able to stop your trade on Metatrader 5 app successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can stop your trade on Metatrader 5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.